Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First, I want to talk about the S&P 500. S&P 500, it's hit to its all-time high level at the moment, and the stock market just opened like 30 minutes ago. This is a good sign. I think it will be break its all-time high today. We will see about it, but it is not late for the buy S&P because with the AI hype, my I still thinking it will be go up like 7,400 in the first period, and then with the AI hypes last moment with euphoria period, I think it will be go to the 9,000 until the recession, but recession is not happening yet, and it seems not going to happen just now because the US markets are because US growth is pretty strong at the moment, and inflation is going down, so there is no stagflation problem for the US economy. But in the later times, it could be a recession because the Fed is has a lack of money. The Fed has a the Fed has a the Fed had a lack of money supply in the period, so back in the day. So I think it will be going to affect on economy as a recession, but it seems not like in the moment. It seems pretty good and investable for my opinion at the moment. So we will see what we're going to happen. So if I have to talk about the Dow Jones hit its all-time high yesterday and ended the day with the Dow Jones ended the day with all-time high yesterday, and today, like 30 minutes ago, the market just opened, and it seems it's okay and going for its all-time high again and again. So I'm also bullish about the Dow Jones too, and Nasdaq. Well, the Nasdaq just way below from its brothers like S&P and the Dow Jones at the moment, but it will be go out soon because it's they will all going to the same way. If the S&P and the Nasdaq going up, Nasdaq will be follow them, and Nasdaq goes much more volatile at the moment every time because they are tech companies inside of it, and it will be catch them up and it will be surpass them with that with at that moment. But we will see about it. Maybe it can be happen like in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So if I have to continue with the gold technical indicators, well, there's a negative divergence over here, but it happened going for its all-time high again. But I'm still thinking we are at the end of the commodities price increasement season at the moment, and the price could be fluctuate at the moment with this price level. My opinion about it, and we will see. I don't think the same thing with the silver because silver went up really high and the really short period, and I think in the later on days price will be go down and like 59 or 53 my opinion, because uh, you can price going up very much in a short time, and there's a if it's going close a day, if it ever going to close a day with the negative side in the one day, maybe 2 days later or 3 days later, maybe today, we don't know it, there will be a not today, there will be a negative divergence happens in the RSI. So I don't like silver for my opinion if I have to talk about it, and I don't like the platinum's way at the moment. Platinum's is not seems go so good. The RSI averages is not catching up that fast like 2 days or 3 days ago price increasement. So I will stay away from the platinum anyway. Well, if I have to talk about Bitcoin, I said yesterday, the Bitcoin just went up its Bollinger Band and it going up pretty good, well at the moment. And as you can see, this trend line over here, this side, this is a side from this is a trend line which started from December 2022 and followed up since until the 20th of November, and it broke it. So in the short period, I think it will become to the 99.5 thousand dollars, and we will see what will be happen over there, because also in the weekly side there is a moving average over there. It will become true, like if we went back to the later days, we will see about it. But it seems like there is a 5% of price increasement chance, very big potential of price increasement chance in the Bitcoin. So I'm bullish about the Bitcoin at the moment. We will see what will be going to happen when it goes to the 99.5 thousand price levels. I'm going to say the same thing with the Ethereum. Ethereum seems good. It have a little bit. It can be a little bit struggle through like 3,300 levels, because you know there's a what was it called? What was it called? You know, there's a drench. Ah, so because there's a resistance level over 3,300 levels. So I'm going to say the same thing. If it get to if it go past through the 3,300 levels and the Bitcoin is still searching up good, it's a good sign for Ethereum. It can be, for my opinion, it can be both. And with XRP, I mentioned about XRP a couple of days ago, and I said I think it's the bottom level, and it always does this triangle thing happening, and it came to its upper side of this trend line with the triangle thing, you know, bottom, downfall, resistance. And if it's going to break it, it seems a really good opportunity to buy. But we have to see what's going to happen. The Bitcoin have to be the positive side for these altcoins to go up, because all Bitcoin is a locomotive, and the Ethereum and XRP will follow it, and all altcoins if it's not manipulative. And if I have to talk about XMR, the XMR went for its all-time high level, and then it got rejected from it, and it gone to its 415 levels to make a support. It made a support over there and stayed like 5 days. It seems good, and it seems like it's going for its all-time high again, and maybe it can be break or not, but it seems it turned out its header weight for where will be going to go. It's for its all-time high, it seems right now. So thank you for watching. See you later.